A very good evening. You're with headlines today. I'm Aviral Virk. It's now official. Former IPS officer and anti-corruption crusader Kiran Bedi has formally joined the BJP. The announcement was made about 4:15 this afternoon. Speculation over her joining the saffron fold ended as soon as she was seen entering the BJP headquarters along with Amit Shah and Arun Jaitley. This move by the BJP president is being seen as a master stroke ahead of the Delhi elections. Amit Shah was, however, mum on the possibility of Kiran Bedi taking on Arvind Kejriwal head-on as the party's chief ministerial candidate.
किरण बेदी जी ने आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी में प्रवेश किया है। वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की ओर से चुनाव भी निश्चित लड़ेगी। मुख्यमंत्री कौन बनेगा वो फैसला पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड का अधिकार क्षेत्र है। पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड इसका निर्णय करेगा। थोड़ा समय राह देखिए। आज इतना न्यूज काफी है कि वो जुड़ी है और वो चुनाव लड़ेगी। अभी उनकी सीट तय होना बाकी है। दिल्ली प्रदेश यूनिट बैठकर तय करेगा। अभी सीट के बारे में कोई निर्णय नहीं हुआ है। चलिए कुछ पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड पर छोड़िए आप। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सभी कार्यकर्ता मुख्यमंत्री बनने की योग्यता रखते हैं। अब किरण जी भी हमारी कार्यकर्ता है।
मैं अपना 40 साल का एक्सपीरियंस दिल्ली को भेंट करने आई हूं, अपने देश को भेंट करने आई हूं। जो मेरे पास है उसको मैं समर्पित करने आई हूं। मेरे लिए पूर्ण समर्पण है। मेरे लिए अब मैं लिमिटेड वे ऑफ अपनी एनजीओज और स्पीकिंग एंगेजमेंट्स ऑल ओवर द कंट्री करती थी, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड करती थी, अब मैं पूर्ण अपने आप को दिल्ली को दूंगी। अब दिल्ली को क्या जरूरत है इस वक्त? दिल्ली को जरूरत है एक स्ट्रॉन्ग, क्लियर हेडेड, एक्सपीरियंस्ड, स्टेबल गवर्नमेंट। स्टेबल गवर्नमेंट की सख्त जरूरत है। इस वक्त इस देश की राजधानी को दुनिया की नंबर 1 राजधानी बनने का एक सपना है। दिल्ली की राजधानी हो और उसमें हर तरीके की बुराई हो, नहीं हो सकता। हम वो अपना 40 साल का एक्सपीरियंस बड़े स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम वर्क से, क्योंकि मुझे काम करना आता है और मुझे काम करवाना भी आता है, वो मैं एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे मिलके। हम करेंगे भी और करवाएंगे भी।
Now, there are several big questions after today's development this afternoon. Will Kiran Bedi be BJP's chief ministerial face against Arvind Kejriwal? Can the BJP cadre accept Bedi as their chief ministerial face? And is Kiran Bedi BJP's answer to the Arvind Kejriwal threat in the Delhi elections, which will get underway in about 22 days from now? Joining us from field is Deputy Editor Brijesh Pandey. Joining us in our studios is Executive Editor Javed Ansari. But Brijesh, coming to you first, the pertinent question on whether or not the BJP cadre will in fact accept Kiran Bedi, not just as part of them, but as a possible chief ministerial face.
Well, Aviral, to be honest, the BJP ground worker is not spoiled for choice when it comes to chief ministerial candidate in Delhi BJP. So her appointment by Amit Shah is a master stroke when it comes to addressing any lack of leadership within the Delhi BJP or state Delhi BJP. She has the requisite experience. She has an administrative experience. She has been extremely vocal against corruption. She was part of the India Against Corruption, which Arvind Kejriwal was also part of, and she is extremely vocal and articulate, and she has the requisite pedigree, if I may say so, to be the next chief minister of Delhi. So her joining BJP will definitely boost the morale of Delhi BJP cadres, and I don't see anybody standing up or her being involved in any kind of factional fight, because if you look at the kind of reception she got in the BJP central leader headquarters today, BJP President Amit Shah was there, the BJP's ineffective number 2 finance minister Arun Jaitley was there, all the RSS organizational secretary Ram Lalji was there. Apart from that, the BJP state Prabhari Prabhat Jha was there. So everybody was there, and the kind of reception she got and the way both Amit Shah as well as Arun Jaitley introduced her to the cadre as well as to the press, it's very clear that she enjoys absolute confidence of the top leadership, and I don't see anybody from the BJP state creating any kind of hurdles or them having any kind of problems with her.
And we've seen the way rebellion is handled within the BJP, Javed. But speaking of the kind of reception that Kiran Bedi received, is that a telling sign to you of the kind of positioning really that the BJP is hoping, the kind of position that the BJP is hoping to put her in the days to come?
Well, absolutely. Kiran Bedi has not joined the BJP and won't contest the election just to become an MLA. If you heard her speak, her body language, the choice of words, she's already speaking from a position of authority. She says she will use her experience for the benefit of Delhi. Now an MLA will only cater to a constituency. Unless you are a minister or a chief minister, then you cater to the entire. So obviously the game plan is ready. They will wait. She first has to be nominated as a candidate, and once she wins, then perhaps she could be possibly the BJP's choice for chief ministership, provided of course the BJP wins a majority.
Brajesh, Amit Shah confirmed that she will be fighting the election but refused to speculate on the seat that will be picked for her. What really is the BJP functionaries really thinking at this point in time as to the kind of seat that will be suitable for Kiran Bedi in the days to come?
Well, the BJP is weighing in all the permutation and combination, and also the fact that, you know, that if she is their chief ministerial candidate, is the BJP willing to take that bigger risk of pitting her against Arvind Kejriwal?
Right.
And if she loses, then, you know, there goes one of the most recognizable and dependable face of the Delhi BJP. So the party will weigh in all factors, of all considerations, and I think simultaneously, as we speak, Shazia Elmi, another AAP insider, is all slated to join Delhi BJP. So they will all weigh in all options, and then they will try to decide as to exactly who to pit against Arvind Kejriwal, and the roadmap and the strategy. Tomorrow, by the end of the day or tomorrow, the state BJP will meet and they will finalize a list of candidates, and they will forward it to the Central Election Commission of the BJP, which on 19th will meet and take a final decision as to who will fight against Arvind Kejriwal.
Absolutely. We can expect a decision soon on that because the BJP does not have too much time. But Javed, keeping into consideration that Kiran Bedi is a recognizable face in the national capital, but really the BJP would have to be very confident that it converts to votes.
Well, certainly, and they are banking primarily on the charisma and the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They believe that that riding piggyback on him, they should be able to repeat what they did in Haryana and Madhya Pradesh, and therefore that's why, you know, in a phased manner, everything is being done. Today, Kiran Bedi, tomorrow we are told it will be Shazia Elmi, another day somebody else. So everything is being choreographed. The BJP hopes that they will be that at the end of the day they will be in a position to form government, and then perhaps Kiran Bedi could be their chief ministerial candidate.
Brajesh, these staggered inductions, of course, also to gain as much publicity as possible in the run-up to the elections. And as you said, that the BJP could have a concrete plan on Kiran Bedi's election campaign by the 19th and decide whether or not she will be pitted against Arvind Kejriwal. But it is the question of her vote face, though a gradual one, that will also come into question, because the fact remains that Kiran Bedi has spoken out vociferously against both the Congress and the BJP as far back as just about 2 years ago when she was part of Team Anna.
Well, she had, no denying the fact, but the fact also which should be taken into consideration is that for the last 1 year, ever since Anna Hazare's rally which flopped severely in Bombay, after that she has mellowed down her attack vis-a-vis the BJP, and in the last 1 year she has been extremely supportive and voiced her positive opinion of the initiative which has been taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And if you remember last time when the Delhi Assembly election was held, one of the topmost speculation was when is Dr. Kiran Bedi going to join the BJP. Things couldn't materialize, but that reflected the mending of fences between Kiran Bedi as well as the BJP. And I think for the last year and a half, she has been extremely supportive of the stands taken by BJP on various issues. So her joining is a kind of an eased-in joining by the BJP, and I don't think that that will be of what she said against Narendra Modi 2.5 years back will pose much of a problem to its cadre as well as the leadership.
Which also tells us, Brajesh, that this could have been in the pipeline for quite some time. Now we have some breaking news coming in. Arvind Kejriwal's first reaction.